Alright, welcome again to Microsoft Word 2019 Essential Training. Today I will talk about 3 methods where you create new blank documents for inside Microsoft Word 2019. The first method to create blank new document for inside Microsoft Word. Step 1. Click on Start menu. Look for where Microsoft Word dey, search go down, you will see Microsoft Word for here, or you will see for your the icon for your taskbar, or you will see this icon for your desktop. Click Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Word 2019 welcoming screen, that will be the first thing where you will see when you click on. You will see blank document for here and other templates. Click new, click blank template. Alright, you don't create your first new blank document for inside Microsoft Word 2019. Then the second method where I will show you now you don't already do your work, you don't work already, you don't finish the first document and you want to create another new document. First step, click File for here. When you click File, it will take you to the backstage view. You will click New for here. Click Blank Document. You don't create your second new blank document. Then the third method I will show you now, the very shortcut method. You don't really do your work and you want to create a new blank document for inside Microsoft Word 2019. All you just need to do now to press Ctrl for your keyboard like this, then press the end button. You don't create a new blank document like so. Alright, that are the 3 methods to create a new blank document for inside Microsoft Word 2019. To support us increase the quality of this training wey we dey do, abeg subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you fit dey receive notice when new tutorial come out. Thank you.